वालेकुम। आज मैं सिखाऊंगा आपको हाउ टू मेक अ सिंपल बेसबॉल एनिमेशन। फर्स्ट यू हैव टू डिलीट दैट स्प्राइट, then search, go to sports and then choose better, then go to search, and you can also do it in sports. You will find the baseball in sports now. And Ben, we have to find Ben. Here is Ben, and we need a backdrop. The backdrop will be baseball one. Now go to costumes of the backdrop. We will delete the old backdrop, and now we will put them in their places where we have to put them. Now the ball is too big. We will set its size to 40, or what the size you like. And batter is bigger than the Ben, so we will set it the size of Ben. Nice. And now we will put it in its place. Now today we are do the coding of Ben. Today we'll do the coding of Ben, and we have to do something in Ben's costumes. Look, we have to delete these costumes. The last costume we have to the second last costume we have to delete it. Now when fact clicked motion, because go to -37 y -101, switch costume to Ben D, Ben A, because on the first costume wait 0.5 seconds. Now switch costume to Ben B. Yes. Now we will add wait 1 second and switch costume to Ben D. Now that's it for today's video. We will do the other codings in next videos. Allah Hafiz.